In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a Zillion gift card on Amazon. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to the website zillionsgift.com, and here you will have to type your card number, the expiration month, year, and also the CVV. Afterwards, you will just click on I am human here to confirm, and then this is going to ask you how you want to use your card, and you will select Amazon gift card. Once you get an Amazon gift card, then you will go to Amazon, then click on your name here or hover over your name and go to account. Then you will choose gift cards, and here we have to select redeem a gift card. Once you click on redeem a gift card, you will enter the code which you got from Zillions of Gifts or from your Zillion gift card, and then you will apply to your balance, and you can use that balance once you start or once you try to purchase an item from Amazon. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.